a big surprise.
Let's go see Dad. Let's go see Dad.
Okay. You don't see anything special?
You saw something through the door?
Jayton.
What is that?
What is that?
Put down your thumb and Maya.
Yeah. Can I have him?
What is that? Oh, he needs shoes, don't he?
Here's your fine.
What is that, Bobby?
No, them.
Come here. You know what that is?
Oh, there's a sign under the trampoline, I think.
Oh, there it is.
Wow.
He's being a good boy from Santa.
Oh my goodness, that's from Santa.
Do you want to get it?
Oh wow. Oh wow, look at you.
Look at you.
Oh wow.
You're on the wrong way.
Wowee. I think it's from Santa.
You could jump all day. Uh-oh. Look at Santa, silly Santa.
Oh, goodness me.
God, he must have been in a rush.
Yeah.
He left the use.
Wowee. We'll have to see what that sign says underneath. Yeah, go. Oh, wow.
How high can you go?
Wow, high as the sky.
Down those stairs.
Okay, can I stop it now? Do you like it? Say, thank you, Santa. Yeah, jump high. Yeah, jump high. Yes.